I love it. Can you see the beans for the Gbegiri is already washed? Cover this to cook. Pour the beans into the blender once it's cold. Add water and blend well. So the beans will go into the pot. So you don't want this thick at all. It's very watery. So go in with some grounded pepper, then crayfish, salt to taste. Go in with some palm oil. Add bouillon cubes. Let's see what's happening here. Wow, our Gbegiri is ready. Can you see the consistency? Wow, this is beautiful. But if you want it more watery, you can add water, but I think I'm fine with this. This is okay for me. Tastes very nice. You can even have it without the ewedu soup. I love it. Can you see the looks so delicious?